Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Sama S35-BK standard case. This is a mid-tower case. It's got acrylic and I'm going to open up the box with scissors. Nicely packaged. Alrighty. For the front, we have a reset switch, a power button, two USB 3.0, two USB 2.0, headphone jack, and a mic jack. Now, I'm going to get a screwdriver and take off these thumb screws, because they're thumb screws, but they're tightened very tightly. Hey, I found a screwdriver. Let's get these thumb screws off. I believe they were obviously factory tightened. Factory tightened, they're too tight to be used as thumb screws, but that's why I have a screwdriver. Now, I can unscrew these with my thumbs and take a look inside. While we're on the side, the front has two small dust filters on both sides of the front, and there's a very small dust filter on the bottom, which I assume is for the power supply. Now, let's get this acrylic panel off. Oh, and by the way, they coated the acrylic panel with plastic on both sides, which is really nice because then I don't make it look terrible with my fingerprints. And there's also a dust filter on the top. Now, in here, we can fit 6 SSDs or 6 2.5-inch drives. And this has a basement with space for 2 3.5-inch drives, which I'm going to be fitting a 1 terabyte drive later. And this case comes with support for a 240 millimeter fan on the top and a 240 or 280 millimeter on the front. Now, you can fit 2 120 millimeter fans on the top, or you can fit 2 140 millimeter fans on the top. And the front can take 3 120 millimeter fans, and it can take 3 120 millimeter fans and 2 140 millimeter fans. And then this case is relatively nicely packed. It comes with a 120 millimeter rear exhaust fan. The connector is Molex, and it connects into the motherboard as well, I believe so. Now, looking at the back, the best cases are the ones that have these ports where you don't push them out, but you unscrew them. This one has push outs, but I mean, that's what you get if you pay for a case that costs $34. This cost $34, and then I paid $6.99 in shipping. And I'm going to go ahead and pull off the back panel so that we can see how much space I have for cable management. Now, here we have the basement, here goes the power supply, and here's that And here's that dust filter for the power supply fan. And here's a drive cage for a 3.5-inch drive, but you can also fit a 2.5-inch drive. And here we have a bunch of mounting points for an SSD. You obviously need a cage for it. And then here they nicely tied down the cables in the back. And it looks to be about 16 millimeters, my bad, of cable management. Yeah, that's about, no, actually that's about 13 millimeters of cable management. And here we have an installation manual, and we have all the cables. The front I/O connectors right here. And then I believe these are for the USB 3.0 ports, and then these are for the USB 2.0 ports. Alright, now I'm going to get the front off and check it out. There we go, here's the dust filter in the front. Oh, I'd rather not pull it off. It's rather light. This case is 3.9 kilograms, which I don't know how to transfer to pounds. And I'm going to pull these cables inside. I'm going to attempt to figure out how to pull this off, because I have no clue. And it's embarrassing. Oh, so you literally just rip it off. I'm going to check that back on. And it looks like we just pull it off. I don't want to break it. I'll be back in a moment. Alrighty, I think I figured it out. I have to pull up at a 45-degree angle. Oh. I'm sweating. There we go. Got it. Okay, because it's secured by 8 push pins right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 4. Alright. And then, as you can see, we have dust filters on both of these sides. Now, let's take a look at the front and what we can install. I could install 3 120mm fans right here, or I can also install 2 140mm fans right here. The biggest CPU cooler that you can fit in here is a 168mm cooler. I don't know what mine is, but I'll figure it out later. Let's see, which is kind of a bad idea, I might say. That never happened. I'll pick that up later. Now let's take a look at the basement. Oh, there we go. And here's the dust filter, the removable dust filter. It's actually, this one isn't actually magnetic like the top one, but it's better than nothing, right? There, thank you. Thank you for your cooperation. Here we have 2 more mounting points for the SSDs. 2 SSDs, or 2.5-inch drives, which I actually have one right here somewhere. I never said that. And that shall conclude the Sama S35-BK case review. Thanks for watching.